The way the machine works is, once a ball passes the first sensor, it will relock the ball, allowing you to not hit again. If it passes a second sensor, it knows that you either won or you went too far. After a few seconds, it will detect if that last sensor is still detecting the ball. If it is, then it knows that you won. The ball is launched when the player presses this button, which runs down to here, pressing on this paddle. The paddle then launches the ball upwards. The prize is dispensed by this motor, which has a dark gray piece stopping it from all dispensing. The motor moves, allowing all of them to be dispensed, like so. Right now, the ball is locked and you cannot hit it upwards. Once you have paid, the orange bar drops down, allowing you to hit the ball. Here we can see how the ball gets locked in place, detecting if you won or lost. If you win, the ball will pass that blue bar, pushing it upwards, and then drop back down, locking it in place. To release it, a motor will simply make it go up, and the ball can fall. If you hit it too hard, it will go up and get knocked over here. From there, another motor can hit it down using a hidden piece right there. And finally, if you win, you can press the button when you're ready, which is of course attached to a button way back there, and it will dispense your prize. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe.